Hey there guys, this is True Scary and I'm playing a game that you might always recognize. It's called White Noise. It's the Xbox version of Slender and I heard it's much more scary. Let's see if they're right. White Noise. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. I am very close to one right now. The way you can tell if you're close to a video voice recorder is you can hear the static. Can you hear it? Yeah, it's right there. You can hear the static. You just gotta follow the static. Okay, so it's this way. And the flashlight points to the note, wherever it is. Or voice recorder. So, yeah. I know I haven't been recording in a long time. I mean, I'm sorry. Look at her head, so bright and nice. It's Statue of Liberty. Only worse. That was even worse there. I like a note. Now things get really fucked up. Whoa! Did you hear that? Ah! Okay, run away. Dang! Ah! Okay. This is officially and utterly creepy. Come on, Mr. Monster, I'm not afraid of you. Or your little minions of teleportation. Oh crap. Landmarks. Yeah, the music is much more creepier than Slender music. Generating bushes, that's not a good sign. Oh, look. That's a tombstone. Where's my carrot? I need my carrot. Carrot of awesomeness. There you are. Hi, Mr. Carrot. We're gonna be best friends. Oh, see ya. Actually, it looks like a penis. Yeah, let's go. God, he runs out of breath fast. Who is he? Japan Yeti? Or Gabriel Iglesias? Ah! Fudge. Ah! Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Whoa! What the hell? Don't look at me!
Silver dollar.
Silver dollar.
Luca. No.
This is much more soothing.
No.
There's no monsters that want to kill me. And it looks exactly like my cat.
Luca.
Not even joking. It's Rocky. My cat is Rocky. My cat is Luca. This is much more better.
No.
Stop it.
No. Please, Luca. Stop. Luca, stop.
It's an example.
No. No, Luca. No. No. No, Luca. No. No.
Look at me, I'm a boss!
Luca, no. Fine, just eat my breakfast.
That's what happens when you go too late. I want the cat toy! I'm kind of bored. Yeah, later. I think I've had enough games today. Me and my turtle bed headphones. Wait, hold on. If I can see better, I'm gonna do that. Those ones are officially burned out. Well, this video is going on YouTube.